Google Drive offers several hidden features that can enhance productivity and organization. These include advanced search operators for quick file location, the priority workspace for focused work, offline access to shared files, and the ability to request files from others without requiring them to have a Google account. Well, the first is the advanced search operators. You can go beyond basic keyword searches if you are using your PC. However, if you are on PC and you are using Google Drive on it, then you can use simple shortcuts to search for the keywords. For example, you can press Ctrl F and that will give you the option to search within the sheet. So you can search for any keywords and get the result based on it. Similarly, you can also use the priority workspace. This feature allows AI or uses AI to suggest relevant files and allows you to group related documents. Now you can also use it offline. If you have it downloaded for offline access, which you'll get the option to do so while you are accessing it with internet, you'll be able to access it offline as well. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.